What's up, family? Welcome to Dean's Experience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? So for this black bean chili recipe, you're going to need cayenne pepper, chili powder, cumin, multicolored peppers, 5 garlic cloves, 2 small onions, ground turkey, fire roasted diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and of course black beans. I love this chili, and this is actually number 2 of my 3-part chili series. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. So the first thing we're gonna do is put 3 cans of black beans in our pot. We're gonna add our multicolored peppers. Now our onions and garlic. Add the rest of our onions in there. Now we're gonna add in our jalapeno peppers. This is optional, but you're gonna add jalapeno peppers. We're gonna give this a nice mix. Yes. Okay. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. I did forget to add those in there. You do want to add those. I'm sorry. And we're going to give this a nice mix. Add 1 cup of water. And we're going to mix this up some more. Okay, now we're going to put that to the side, and I'm using ground turkey today, so we're going to go ahead and ground up our turkey. I'm actually using ground turkey today. I had somebody challenge me telling me that ground turkey does not taste good in chili. Well, I beg to differ. So, I'm showing you how you can actually brown the turkey. Yes. Okay, so now that we're almost near the end of us browning our ground turkey, let's go ahead and hear some quick facts. When was chili originated? The modern dish we know as chili, also known as chili con carne, chili with meat, does appear to have roots in American West, particularly the state of Texas. An old legend holds that immigrants from the Canary Islands brought a recipe for chili with them when they settled in San Antonio in the early 1700s. 1700s. Pretty cool. Okay, so now that we're near the end of us browning our ground turkey. And I also want to share with you, with using ground turkey though, you do not have to drain it. It doesn't produce a lot of fat, so just go ahead and keep the juices in it. Gives it extra flavor. Yes, now we're going to go ahead and add in our fire roasted diced tomatoes and our tomato paste. And let's go ahead and give this a nice mix. Yes, this is going to be beautiful, you guys. All right, now we're going to add in our chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of our cayenne pepper, and we're going to go ahead and give that a good mix. All right, add a 1/2 cup of water and mix this up some more, you guys. Yes. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Pretty cool. All right. Let's give a nice close-up look at that. All right, let's go ahead and mix it in with our black beans. I do like using black beans that have a more robust taste, and it's different. Quick tip, when you're drying your legumes, dry beans, go ahead and dry them with baking soda, with water overnight for 6 to 12 hours. Yes. All right, now I like to add a little bit of the black bean juice from when it was sitting over. That's optional, you don't have to do that. One more time. You guys did this. That looks beautiful. Okay. Now altogether, we are gonna let this simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes before we serve it. Give me a thumbs up. Let's plate this up for you guys. Sorry the stove looked a little messy, you guys. It's chili, what do you expect? Okay, and let's have a bite here. Ow! That was a devastation. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 Deans and to our next food adventure. Peace.